When you are planning a migration of content from an old website to a new WordPress website, it can happen that the HTML is not suitable anymore because it's old or has too many code and you want to get rid of this code. For example, the divs or these loose things you want to get rid of. Well, in Notepad++, it's easy to make queries to find and replace HTML and replace HTML with nothing, and I will show you how. This is the expression I need. I go to search and replace, and it's this expression, find all brackets and find all closing brackets and the content within and replace it for nothing. So I say replace all, and now you can see that only plain text is left. So now you see you have cleared the code and it's plain text. You can use it in a new website by copying and pasting it into a new editor of WordPress and then do the markup in there. But in fact, what you also can do is to mark up the text right here in Notepad and put new marks and let Notepad find it and place brackets along the text and have new HTML. I will explain that later in an article you can find, and the link to the article is placed under this video. So when you also want to make new HTML by Notepad++, you can find out which queries you can use. Thank you. Bye bye.